I'll be reacting to Hurricane Jeffy by SML. Let's go. It's raining, Jeffy.
No, Jeffy, it's raining outside.
Thank you.
How many times do we have to tell you do not eat golf balls?
Well, then why they look so yummy?
They don't.
No, how does a golf ball look yummy? Oh my.
Is it raining so badly?
I don't know.
It's a hurricane. What do you expect? Breaking news.
Hurricane Sally.
Okay, why Hurricane Sally?
Two storms, the city inside. What's that? We have word now that reporter Goodman is on scene to tell us about
Reporter Goodman?
Goodman. A hurricane? I didn't know a hurricane was hitting.
Of course, of course, yo.
Water, ice, flashlights, batteries, and gas.
Oh my god.
We don't have to repair. Everything's gonna be fine. It's just a little bit of rain and wind.
But Mario, it's a category 2.
That ain't nothing. Daddy, what's a hurricane? A hurricane's a big storm that just...
Hurricane, it's like a cyclone. It's like a huge thunder like storm.
Sally's not a real person. It's just the name of the storm, Jeffy. Well, Daddy, when I grow up, I want to be the biggest hurricane ever. Well, you'll
How can you be a hurricane?
since you don't believe in me, I'm gonna grow up the biggest, baddest hurricane ever. And then you're gonna see me on the news. So...
You can't be a hurricane, yo. You can't. How can you trans?
There's nothing to worry about, baby. It's just a little bit of rain and wind. Everyone, look out for Hurricane Jeffy! I'm gonna destroy everything in my path.
Are you serious? This is destroying the house, which would be. Jeffy, you're not a hurricane. You're being just annoying and stupid. Jeffy, you have a problem. Just
Jeffy, why are you destroying the living room and hissing like a cat?
Cause I'm a hurricane, Junior.
You're a hurricane? How'd you become one of those?
Well, I was watching TV and I saw this girl
Of
named
course,
Sally,
it's not gonna
and
be
she
true.
became a
Of
hurricane.
course, it's
And now
not gonna be
everyone's
actually
afraid of her. But she's a total 2, but she blows like a 10, Junior. And she's got a whole lot of wop.
What's wrong?
Okay.
Wind and precipitation.
Oh, she sounds so hot.
Well, if you want to meet her,
Wow.
she's right outside.
It's
She's
a
outside, like,
hurricane.
right now?
Why do you
Yeah.
believe
I'm so
Jeffy?
nervous. I'm not ready to meet her. Oh, I need some advice from Chef Pee-Pee.
Alright. Oh man, that won't fit. I bought the wrong size. Well, it's not the first time I bought the wrong size for something that's not gonna fit.
Hey, Chef Pee-Pee, can I ask you for some dating advice?
No, Junior, not right now. I'm trying to make some food just in case the power goes out. Stupid Hurricane Sally.
Sally, you know about her too?
Yes, Junior, everybody knows about her. She's dangerous.
She's dangerous,
Yes.
but is she bad though?
Yes, she's bad, and she's huge.
Oh, she's a big girl. That's why everyone's saying she's a 2.
No, she's a category 2, but she's nothing to play with.
Well, what if I think I can handle her?
Junior, you can't handle her. She'll blow you away.
Oh, how bad is she?
What, Junior, hurricanes are nothing to play with. They could take your car, your house, maybe even your life.
Well, what's she look like?
Oh my
What?
god.
Junior, what are you talking about?
I think I'm thinking with the wrong head, Chef Pee-Pee. I'm gonna go outside and see her.
Junior, don't go outside. What's wrong with you?
Sally? I really like you, and I heard you're bad. And I don't care if you're a
She's
2, I
not
think you're a
person,
10.
Junior. He meant by
And
hurricane
I think
Sally,
big girls need
not
love
like
too,
literally
so-
a female.
I'd like to be your boyfriend.
I feel
Sally?
like that's what a huge majority of the SML females are. That no female friends don't even exist here.
You can give me your answer later. Chef Pee-Pee, I didn't see Sally.
What do you mean you didn't see her? She's huge.
Hey, Chef Pee-Pee, you stop talking about my girlfriend like that.
What?
Yeah, I know you think she's a 2, but she's a 10 to me. And just because she's fat,
Oh
I
my
love big
God.
girls. I think
Not
they need
the type
love.
of
But
girl.
Junior, it's a hurricane. What are you doing, Jeffy?
I'm a hurricane.
Oh my God, Mario!
Oh, Mario, the storm
Yep,
sounds like it's
Jeffy's
getting worse.
busted.
It's
He
just
is
wind and
busted
rain.
for
It's not
sure.
getting worse.
Mario!
What's wrong, Chef Pee-Pee?
Jeffy's destroying the entire house!
He is. Jeffy!
Oh
Jeffy,
my
what are you
God, what
doing?
has Jeffy
I told
done?
you I'd be a hurricane, Daddy.
Jeffy, you're gonna clear up this mess right now.
You can't stop a hurricane, Daddy.
Yes, you can. Unless it's your magical or fictional
wrong,
powers.
Mario?
Go ahead, tell her.
Jeffy thinks he's a hurricane and he's destroying the
I'm
entire
sorry.
house.
I'm sure he's not destroying the entire house, Mario.
Just my kitchen.
Yeah, in the living room, he's making a huge mess.
Mario, we'll clean it up later. He's letting his imagination wander.
Imagination.
Well, he needs to stop wandering
By
around my
destroying
kitchen
the
and making a
house.
mess.
See, that's the thing that intelligent.
Oh no, the power went out.
Oh my god, calm down,
What?
Rosalie.
That was
You're
so annoying. I
bleeding
think I
my
want to date
ear.
men now.
Oh, okay, look, we knew this was gonna happen. Hurricanes.
This is part 1 of